So this is the home screen of your automation browser powered by Spider Control. So this section here shows you all the stations. And this is the control unit. So these three dots that you see up here, they are basic Android settings of the panel. On top, you have version info. When you click on the second option, which is Android settings, you get into the settings option. This exactly looks like an Android phone or an Android tablet. To edit the Ethernet settings or the network, you go to the Android settings option. Here you have network and internet, and then Ethernet. When you want to add one or more stations here, just press the plus, and you can then add the name, the IP address, and other settings. We can edit it using the edit button here. Now you can change the name. You can then change the IP address. You could then choose the behavior of the IP as well. And then when you're done, just press done. And when you want to connect, just press connect. This is the login screen of the Salz Automation controller. You can put your username in, the password, and just log in. So these are a few options that are given by the automation browser. You see a home button, back and forth button, and a refresh button, and the name of the page. These are the several options that you also have in an Android phone or an Android tablet: the off and on button, the volume and the back button, home button, and the options button.